All of you should know me by now. I am DP Robertson. For years, it has been my goal to help people navigate the world of trading. That's why I've spent years testing thousands of indicators and strategies here on my channel. And recently, I announced that we have partnered with Will from Will Trades to create a futures and prop firm training division shoot off of the Academy of Forex. With over 6 years of experience, Will is not only a profitable but knowledgeable trader. And through his Discord, he teaches people how to become just as profitable every single day as he coaches them, teaches them, and trades with them right side by side, calling out exactly where he's taking his trades. You can find a link to his Discord down below in the description. If you use the link down below in the description, you get a 5-day free trial, as well as access to his Discord and access to the Academy of Forex Discord with all the benefits that go with that as well. This is going to be a daily trading recap video, so let's go ahead and jump right into that video.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, April 14th, and today I made $644 in the market. Now I'm going to break down literally everything of how I made that profit and what I did to identify that profit as well. Actually, before I actually get in and show you guys, there's the proof right up there. And I actually was down $1,600 market open before I actually made that $1,600 back, plus an extra $644 profit. Today's markets were very, very hard. I don't always boom, make easy money, make $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a day. But again, it does happen where sometimes the markets just don't give us what we want. We got to walk away a little bit, come back, and then make some banger plays. So let's hop on in here. Let me break down the trades that I made and so forth. If you guys are wondering, this gray area right here is pre-market, and then this darker gray area is actually market open. So when market open, again, I always go ahead and go to a bigger time frame and chart out my pre-market highs and my pre-market lows as well. Market today had a gap. Usually gaps have to get filled before the market can reverse or go the opposite direction. So today, look what happened. We kind of consolidated, then broke and filled that gap, and now we're right now trading higher. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame and zoom on in here. So market opened literally to the T right here. And right when market opened, what happened? We just sold off and we just dropped like crazy. I hate actually trading trades that drop like crazy. It's not for me. I want to wait for a clean setup or some type of direction before I feel confident in being able to take those trades. So we sold off. Like, you know what? I'm going to just wait, sit on my hands until we have some type of retracement. So we can see we had a big sell-off, and then we obviously had a reversal. So immediately I was like, okay, let me draw my lowest day, the lowest point of the day, which is right here at 18,995, and let me identify some type of trend, right? I always talk to my students saying, hey, the market moves in 3 ways: up, down, and sideways. So I was looking for higher highs and higher lows in the market. So we can see right here, we have a low, we formed a higher low, and then a higher low. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to take a trade for the upside, and I'm going to take a trade on break high right here. Now this was actually my first loss. I told you guys I was down $1,600 profit before I actually was up $644 for the day. So I took longs right here. My stop loss was actually below candle low here. I always, let me go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see that, put my stop loss as tight as possible. I'd rather get stopped out 40 times in a row with a very, very small loss. And then when my bangers hit, it wipes out all my my losses, and then I'm still profitable for the day. So I got stopped out right here, again, a fake out, and I sat on my hands. Okay, let's go ahead and let's wait for market to happen. Let's see what wants to work. So what happened? I drew my highs, then at the next highest low, we sold right back off. What just formed here? We just formed another higher low. Okay. And so I'm like, okay, if we can break out of the most recent high, we can have some type of momentum, some type of volume, and at least don't come all the way back up to most recent highs, but maybe we can get a quick scalp in there. And look what happened. We broke out here. I did take a small trade, actually making back some of my loss. And I actually got out very quickly. I actually took out my first profit right here at these previous wicks to the left-hand side. So I made about maybe $500-600, and I was still down about $1,000 for the day. Okay, and that's kind of when I hopped off from the team, and I was like, you know what? I am done trading. You know what? I will go ahead and just be done. I did a few errands. I came back to the charts, and I actually moved over, and we were trading around this area right here. And I'm like, oh my goodness, we're selling off. We potentially have some type of trend forming. We might actually break that that gap that formed. You know what? I am curious to go short. So the first thing I look for is trend. I obviously know the highest point of right now is right here. And what is happening? Let me move myself over so you guys can see. We are forming higher highs and higher lows. So I'm like, if we can break a key level of resistance or support, we will continue going down. So what happened? We broke this key level, which is right over here. And what happened? Bob is your uncle, and we sold off, and we continued selling off all the way down till when that gap was filled. Now I got profit. I got out of profit actually right around here. So I got about maybe a 40 to 70 point move, which is really, really nice, making back my $1,000 loss plus another $644 profit, which again, I'll post right there. And I'll post my other students making the trades that I made and their own trades from me teaching them their strategy up here as well. But again, that's the breakdown of my trades. I took about 5 trades today. But again, those are the 2 main trades I kind of wanted to shoot out to you guys and talk about that really were impactful and really made sense in the markets. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
All right, so now that you've seen how simple it is to become a profitable trader, as Will not only teaches you, but calls out those trades in real time, exactly where he is taking them and how he is taking them. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Again, you'll get a free 5-day trial where you can join us as we are taking those trades in real time and see exactly how great the community is over on Will's Discord. And again, make sure you use the link down below in the description. That way you can get access to both the Discords and all the benefits that come with that. And we will see you on the inside.